Welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Today we're going to be installing the Underglow lighting from Oneuplighting.com. This is their color chasing kit, and one of the things that I was really excited about, because the LEDs will change millions of different colors, but the colors, they'll chase themselves all the way around the car, which is something my last Underglow kit never did, and I'm super excited about this one to get it installed. We've already got the taillight taken out of stone, and I'm going to run the wiring from the battery through the taillights down behind the bumper, just like we did with the actual diffuser install. Links above for the diffuser install. So first thing we're going to do is run all of these excellent built LED lights. We got 4 24-inch ones for the front and the back of the car, and then we have 2 50-inch ones for down the side skirts. So I'm going to get to running these first. This is probably the hardest part and the most important part, to get this right so that you can see the LEDs under the car. But once we get this done, then we're going to be able to we'll be able to hook the connector up to the battery. However, that's not what I'm going to do. If you guys remember with Quinn, I didn't like having the lights hooked up to the battery, so we're actually going to use one of these battery packs. If you want to know how I'm going to do that, make sure you keep watching, and I'll show you guys how I use a battery pack to run the LEDs, which this will run the lights for hours, even days at a car show, and you don't have to kill your battery. So keep watching and I'll show you guys how I'm going to install this. So the first thing I did was run the connector cables up through this hole, which goes down under the trunk. You can see the light through there. That is down under the diffuser, because I'm going to actually mount the little control module right in this space here, and then run the power wires through the hole, which will come into the trunk. So now that we have the connectors up here, we can start running the Underglow underneath the car. Alright, we got the Underglow all ran under the car. The only thing I haven't mounted up yet is the ones going down the side skirts, because actually the quick jacks are in the way. I can't get to the side skirts to actually mount the lights. So I've ran the wires, I've got the light sitting there actually on top of the quick jacks, so that when we drop the car, get the quick jacks out, then I can just jack up the back and get the lights installed. But the back and the fronts, they're all done. I'll show you guys how I mounted those right now. So because of the hot exhaust, I ended up running them down the sides of the rear covers, because the exhaust and the dual exhaust is so tight that you would never see it if I put it up in there. So I just put the 2 light strips down both sides of the covers, I guess you could say. Those covers actually cover up inside the wheel well, so I think that'll be okay. Then under the splitter, we got that going. We got the lights coming out the front, just behind the front carbon splitter. It's all tie wrapped up. Shouldn't be moving anywhere. Didn't take that long, maybe an hour to run all the lights. With this MicroStart XP10 battery pack, links down below where you can buy it. It has an assortment of plugs on. So you got some USB ports, and then you have 12 volt and 19 volt adapter. These are so you can actually plug a laptop into the battery and power it. It comes with this wire for all the adapters to your laptop. I don't use this with my laptop, so I cut the end off of it. It's got a positive and negative. Then on the actual Underglow connector, it has a positive and negative as well. I connect the two, then you can plug this into the battery pack, leave it in the trunk. This will run your lights for days because it's not drawing very much power. I believe it can jump start a diesel truck something like 30 times. So it's handy to have in your trunk anyway, just in case you get a flat battery or a friend has a flat battery. This will boost your car and get you back on the road. So let's get this connected up to the wiring of the Underglow, and then we'll be able to test out the lights. We got it plugged in. Now let's come to here, turn all on. Bingo! It's working. So now you can change it to any color you'd like, and then you can also come to mode. And it does the color chasing. Let's turn the lights off and I'll show you guys what it looks like at nighttime. There you go. That's what the color chasing looks like. Very slick. So many options. That is friggin' awesome. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. Well, what do you guys think? I think that they're awesome. I'm a super fan of Underglow lighting, and I think everybody should bring it back, but that's just my opinion. If you guys want to get some Underglow from Oneuplighting, go to oneuplighting.com, use the code HQBMW10. It'll save you 10% off your order. Very simple install and great product. The product, I have to say, is top notch. They have got an incredible build quality, and I'm looking forward to getting stoned to some car shows now. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.